Tricia, this trellis really does look a lot better now that the vines have started overtaking it.
Oh, a trellis is such a great idea for a wall such as this that needs a little something, or even a fence.
Now this one was very easy to build. We started out by going to the home center and getting a few of the 1x2s that we've used, all of it being pressure treated. Then we took 5 of the 8-foot pieces, laid them out on the driveway, and secured one end of them all together using screws. Then we fanned out the 5 pieces and held them out by using some of the horizontal pieces we put together using galvanized nails so there wouldn't be any rust kind of flowing down here later on during the rains. Now also we positioned the base of the trellis down in the ground, leaned it back, and then the vines took over. Now I guess the selection of vines are very important in the success of a trellis like this.
That's right, Danny. On a trellis such as this, you might want to use a lightweight vine like a jasmine or a honeysuckle or bougainvillea. There are lots of choices of a lightweight vine. Something you don't want to use on something like this is a wisteria because it would really take over the whole thing.
Now what about the spacing? I know we have about 16 inches here. Would it be suggested maybe to go a little closer with those?
You know, that's a personal choice. In a beautiful trellis like this, it would be nice to follow the lines that you've created by the structure. But if you wanted to have an overall effect where it's all covered, I think spacing it a little bit more closely would be a great idea.